Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is the kickoff of month 11 and I'm telling you what, as you can see behind me, it's coming together just fabulous. Can't wait to get it all pieced together, put all the quadrants in, and then I'll be able to show you in a wrap-up video right before it goes on the long arm. But it's going to be pretty cool. You'll see a few videos dropping as I'm joining the big sections, and they're just going to be my filler videos for when there's 5 weeks of a month. You'll see one drop. So with all of that being said, let's get busy on week 41. So as you can see, this is how stinking amazing this is just going to look. We've already made all of quadrant 1, all of quadrant 3, and now we're up here working. Nope, I'm sorry, I'm down here working into number 4. So we've already got the whole top done, and now we're working into right in here. So I'm going to come across and show you E5 and E6. E5 is here and E6 is here. So let me flip these over, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of pieces. You're going to see a lot of strings in my work area right now, and I apologize for that. As the colors get darker, you'll be able to see more and more of the colors. But everything lines up nice and tidy along the way. So let me put these back down, belly down. I ran into no issues. I saw nothing that is too hard for any of us to handle. So let's get these babies joined up. I like to see right here, I know this has to line up. So I'm going to give it just a little clip here. Then I'm going to come up here because there's this other color that we really want it to line up just right. Then we're going to come down to the end and do the same thing. That's going to be our berry color, and there's no other colors joining there, so that's a solid with a marking. So now we're going to go ahead and sew this one in place. Please remember to back tack along the way, and that's going to help you lock everything in place. Pop the pin, and we're going to get it done. You're going to back tack it and lock it in. And just do as we always do. Pull that paper out. If you get it out now, you don't have to go back later hunting it. So now, as you can see, everything lined up exactly where we needed it to. So I'm going to pop this just like that. And I'm going to give it a nice, good finger pressing in place. Try to get my nail down in here so these colors will separate. And run my finger up this line. I'm going to slip over here and give it a quick press. Flip it over and give it a little bit of heat there. And now voila, she's done. So as you can see, everything that was important is lined up. So take special care and mark those junctions. There's going to be times that something looks like it's just a little bit off. You can opt to leave it, or you can go ahead and take it out. And if it's just a little smudge, I know it's going to be lost in the quilting. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. And if it starts to bug me before I get it all together, I will go ahead and pop that seam and fix whatever I feel needs fixed. But honestly, this is coming together really nice, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. So with all of that being said, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you back in the next live that we do, or the pre-record for this video. So take care, God bless, and have a fabulous week.